Okay, hello everyone. I'm Gopinath Son of Subramanian. I'm from class BTMS1, section 2, and I'm here to present about managing a diverse workforce from the topic human resources management. Okay, what is diversity management? It's a process intended to create and maintain a positive work environment where the similarities and differences of individuals are valued so that all can reach their potential and maximize their contributions in the organization's strategic goals and objectives. Every companies, every organizations, they would have a vision to achieve. So that we need some factors to bring on it. Okay, okay. There are some main factors in managing a diverse workforce. One of the factor is sexism. Sexism is like discrimination on the basis of gender. Okay. The second thing is glass ceiling. Okay, the term called glass ceiling is like an invisible barrier that can be attributed to subtle discrimination, keeping women and minorities out of the top position in business. Okay. And the second one is a sexual harassment. Sexual harassment, like as we know, an unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors or other verbal or physical conduct of a sexual nature within the workplace. Okay, diversity initiatives like programs and policies that help companies support diverse workforces and markets. Okay, recruiting is like appropriate the process of attracting appropriate applicants for an organization jobs. So like recruiting is like they're hiring the people as usual, like they will see and the quality of working environment, people, how they're working, so on. Okay. The recruiting process, as I previously said, the recruiting process, like there are some steps, like they are like how to recruit or how to hire a person for work for a job to the organization. Okay. Okay, first of all, assemble the candidate pool. Okay, the candidate pool is right. Recruiters select a small number of qualified candidates from all the internal and external applicants. Like many organizations now use computer-based applicant tracking the system to manage their hiring process. Like, okay, they will like, for example, whenever they're hiring a people for a job, they will look at their attitude first, the attitude, their morals all around their personal life and self, and their previously workplace and everything. So on, they will track via the computers and internet and etc. Okay, the screen candidates like recruiters that then screen candidates typically through phone interviews, online tests, or on campus interviews. Okay, interviews at this stage are usually fairly structured, with applicants ask the same questions so that recruiters can easily compare responses. Okay, they will can like compare to each other who are the better, we can get a better one. Okay. So third is interview candidates. The candidates who make it through screening are invited to visit the company for another round of interviews. Maybe they will invite it as a first interview and second interview. So the second interview, like as they are selected to the next stage, they are into the next stage for recruiting process. So this usually involves several interviews with a variety of colleagues, managers, and HR specialists. So maybe it's more harder than previous interviews. So yeah. So compare the candidates. The interview team compares the notes and assesses the remaining candidates. Like they will compare to each other who came to the interview, like managers, HR, and the main management of the people will decide who will be who will will be hiring as well. So the team members sometimes lobby for or against individuals candidates based on what they have seen or heard during the interviews. So everything they will notice, one of each and everything they will notice about you. Okay. Number 5 is investigate candidates. Recruiters talk to the references, conduct background checks, scan social media postings, and in many cases subject an applicants to pre-employment tests. Okay, and given the financial and legal risks associated with bad hiring decisions, most employers now research candidates carefully and thoroughly. So like whenever they hiring a candidate as an employee for the new organization, they should scan everything, background check. They will do each and every process of the recruiting, because one of the even I've worked in a company, they have required employee that's like, which is like he had like more like attitude problem. It's without a background check. They have hired employee that's for emergency purpose for the position. So they have really regret, the management really regret why they've chose him, because they just for 3 or 4 days he has like left the company without any notice or any further notice, anything. So just left like that. It like put in trouble, like very big trouble. Okay, for number 6, make an offer. With all the information in hand, the hiring manager selects the most suitable person for the job and makes a job. So this is the last process of everything. So after the discussion with the HR, the management, with the boss, with the CEO and the managers, everything. So manager will be select employee, best employee with the best background, with a good working space, working potential and everything. So thank you.